Again, welcome to Wall Street Sizing Up. We're here with Psycho Market. It's July 23rd. We're glad you're here. Let's go directly to the markets. Dow's down 204 today. It's about 12 o'clock, 12:30 my time. Nasdaq's almost down 2 points, and S&P's almost down a point. A lot of red on that heat map. You hate to see that. The way it goes. We're off. Showdown. First stock today is going to be APEN, or Apollo Endosurgery. And I'm looking at this chart, and somebody like masturbated all over this chart. I mean, that's what you call like a high sucrose stock that just loves the smack talk. Bam!
Surrender that gigantic pie to the free my rascally restaurant.
The 3 month not so good, but you can see kind of where we are in the pump. It's got a lot of ground to make up, but who bought into this? It's called CPMG. Private funds they run, 2.25 million in assets under management, or AUM, as we say in the biz. I'd be really wary of the stock. I think that I might jump on it for a couple shares here. That this is chasing cheddar, and this is more of a day trade. But again, do your own research. But I would give that a good, I don't know, 3 stars, 3.5 stars. But again, do your own research. That's really, really a low average volume and something that that would scare me off. Next one is IMRN. IMRN. Oh, look at this shorty. It's up too. Dang. Just splat. Nice little pump here. Savvy Management got in on them. Now, you'll hear about Savvy Management quite a bit. They are extremely active in high conviction buys. They are not a hedge fund. They're more of a private fund. They do hedge fund-like things. And I believe they're in venture capital as well. They jumped in on the 21st. So I believe that they got in after this pump. Now, it says that per the filing, they may have saw this pump and got in and somehow snickered the filing. I would hate to say that, but again, it's pumped twice. Wow, man! I've gained like 5 pounds of muscle mass just looking at the stock. It planked, but it pounded up, and it pounded up here too. But it's not what I'm worried about. I'm worried about the month. Man, this is just not a stock. It's just not. It's planking now for the week. 2.5, 3 stars at most. $63 million market cap. Dang, almost 10 million shares have traded every day. 4,000 people own this. So somebody knows something that I certainly may not. Porno nature of seeing this. Some serious dark arts going on there. I'd be real weird. I'm not sure I would add this. I don't like the plank, and I certainly don't like this. I think it's going to fall off. That's just my thought. Again, do your own research. The next one we are going to is ACRS. This is not a buy, guys. This is not a buy. I just wanted you to alert you to this. Let me pull it up on the screen here. ACRS. It was a hard buy, I believe, like a month ago. A company called MFN Partners, run by Farhid Nanji, was in on this. You'll hear MFN Partners a lot. I think that in looking at, and they are the hedge fund of choice for Harvard University. Got a lot of this pump and then got out. I could see that. They've been in the stock since 2018. They sold 1.9 million shares, or close to 5%. I don't know if I'd shy away from this. I certainly don't like this, but I'd be real careful. That being said, I do want to get into some other ones. BBGI, which is Beasley Broadcast. They got out. Now they've owned the stock for a long time, so they know the range that it trades in, and probably know the management extremely well. They jumped out. Looks like they sold close to 17%. So for them to own that amount is crazy. So they have a downtrend. Looks definitely dark arts here. I just lost my boner.
Preview.
I would be out too. But again, do your own research. That was Gameco. Got out of that one. The next one's going to be CABA, Caballetto Bio. Engaged in the discovery and development of engineered T-cell therapies. Love those. Pump up that big thing in your pants. $223 million market cap, trades only 170,000 shares a day, only 400 people own it. Again, let me see who got out of this. Who sold this? This was Hedge Capital. They sold on the 30th. I don't really see a lot of dark arts. There's certainly it's going up and down. For the week, it's up 5%. You can see some good things here. I mean, who doesn't love a good T-cell therapy stock, you know? I think my big daddy would have liked this catch. It's on a semi-Cialis run here, if you would. But again, Phil Gross and Hedge Capital jumped out. So I just want to make you aware of that. The last one is, I was going to talk about TPB, was also gotten out, and NFG. Well, that'll do it for today's program. A big thanks to all the viewers out there, and you know who you are. Please leave me a comment on how much I suck, or something a little bit more constructive, because it's always great to hear from smarter people than me. And please blast a like, blast the subscribe button, because we are done here. But we'll be back tomorrow. And as always, watch your six and go hard in the paint. We'll see you.